So for today's lesson, I've set you an activity that helps you explore the coefficient of friction for different materials. So the objective for you today is to determine the coefficient of friction of three different boxes. These are made of wood, metal, and plastic. I've given enough materials for you all to work in groups of 2 to 3, and you should all have the following. These will help you complete the activity. So the first step I'd like you to do is measure the mass of the wooden, metal and plastic box. Just place the boxes on top of the scale and write down the mass you get in grams. Then convert this to kilograms by dividing by 1,000. The next step is to go onto Google, type in Google Excel and create a spreadsheet. I want you to title it friction and then put in your name and your partner's name. After this, in the top right corner, click share, then enter my email address and select can comment, then click done. Once you've done this, create the following table I've shown here. You'll be filling out the angle and coefficient columns as you go and complete the activity. So these are the steps for the activity. So the first thing to do is place one of the boxes on one end of the wooden sheet. After which, place a 100-gram weight inside the box. Get one of your partners to begin to slowly elevate the wooden sheet. Right as when the box begins to slide down the wooden sheet, stop there and get your other partner to record that angle between the table and the wooden sheet with the protractor. Then make sure you record this value in your Excel table. After this, repeat steps 1 to 4 for each box and increment the weights as you go up to 500. The last step is to calculate the coefficient of friction. Here I've given you the equation that will help you do this. It is simply tan theta, where theta is the angle that you found during the activity.